Hey guys, and a happy new year, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with my part 4 of my Christmas nail art challenge. And yes, I know Christmas is over, but I have to confess, having family home over Christmas, it was hard to get some quiet time to record my voiceovers, so it sort of delayed my uploads. But anyway, we can celebrate Christmas for a little bit longer. Started off with day 10's mani, and the theme was Christmas sweater. So I came up with this T-Rex sweater mani, and this was inspired by my own favourite Christmas jumper, which is this one that the guy's wearing with the T-Rex. So the first thing I did was paint my nails black, all of them. And this is one coat black from Hollow Taco. Then with my Moyu London Noel 10 plate and a green stamping polish, I stamped the T-Rex. And then I filled in the stars with a gold hollow, just the one star, the one on top of the tree. And the box I filled in with the turquoise hollow green. Then I filled in his body with a lighter shade of green. Next I applied a sticky base coat while the tree T-Rex dried, and then once it was tacky I stamped it on my middle finger. Now with the same plate and the same green stamping polish I used for the T-Rex, I'm stamping the little sign that says Tree Rex. And I stamped that straight on my ring finger. Lastly, for my index and pinky finger, I used my Moyu London Fashionista 03 stamping plate and the same green polish that I stamped everything else in, and I stamped the knitted sweater pattern. And I absolutely love this plate, it's one of my favourites. And after stamping them directly onto my finger, I applied a layer of smudge resistant top coat. And that's to all of my nails. And then I was done. Moving on to the next design, and for day 11 the theme was Christmas presents, and I came up with these cute pink cats for presents for Christmas, and I love how these came out, they're so cute. And it's also cute when you see videos of children getting puppies and kittens for presents. I love those. But if you're considering getting a pet for Christmas, then remember that they're a huge commitment and they need love, care and also money. So now put you off of getting a pet for Christmas. Here's some cats for presents for Christmas now. So first off, I painted my index and pinky fingers with 3 coats of rose quartz from Cert Colours. It's from their Facet collection and I absolutely love the collection, I recommend it. They're jelly, flaky polishes. Beautiful. And because this polish was so beautiful, I just left it as it was. And then for my ring finger, I painted with a nice blush pink called Freestyle from Barry M. And I love the Speedy Dry collection, so I'm not sure if they still make it or not. Next, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to record me stamping the kittens. I used my Moyu London Noel 05 plate and my Vibin stamping polish from Twinkle Tea. I just forgot to press play on my camera. I'm so sorry. Great for an art tutorial when you forget to record it. So I did some reverse stamping. I left the kittens on the stamper and then filled in the details with a tiny dotting tool and applied the polishes so gently that you don't smudge it or ruin the stamp underneath. So I filled in this cat's little face with a light grey, almost white polish, and then I filled in the lid and the box with Days from Twinkle Tea, which is a rose gold stamping polish, and it was too pretty for me not to use. Putting it aside, I let the image dry, and then while that was drying I applied a layer of my sticky base coat from Maniology. And once that had gone tacky and the decal was somewhat dry, I stamped it on my ring finger. Now for my middle finger, I painted with Pit Stop from the same Barry M Speedy collection, which is also the same polish I used for the cat's face in the other one. So again, I forgot to record me stamping the little kitten, but here it is on the stamper in the adorable stocking. It is so cute. And then I painted its face with a dark grey. And then I filled in the details of the stocking with white and rose gold. And when that had dried, I filled in the rest of it with the blush pink from earlier. And then whilst that all dried, I applied a layer of sticky base coat again. And once the decal was somewhat dry, I stamped it on my middle finger. And once I was happy with all of that, I applied a layer of smudge resistant top coat. And there you go. Now for the last mani for my Christmas challenge, and the theme was Christmas glitter. So I went for this snowflake design. And considering the theme was Christmas glitter, I went for Frostlight from Hollow Tacos. It's almost like snow in a bowl. So I applied 3 layers of that to my index and pinky fingers. And then for my middle and ring finger, I painted with Ocean Blue from Barry M. Just a sort of medium light blue. And then with my Moyu London Festive 31 plate and a white stamping polish, I stamped the snowflake sweater pattern. And I just stamped that straight onto my middle and ring finger. Quite simple. If you can stamp, that is. Then with a brush and acetone, I cleaned up the mess around my cuticles. And I finally applied a layer of smudge resistant top coat to the stamping. And for the plain glitter nails, I applied a layer of glossy top coat. And it's up to you, some people like to apply 2 layers over glitter polishes, but I only went for the one because I wanted this sort of texture look. And there you go, my Christmas glitter nails. And that's the end of my Christmas nail art challenge for 2020. I've created so many designs for this challenge. If you haven't seen the others, then please check out the other parts of my Christmas nail art challenge. I've worked so hard on this challenge and I'm so proud with most of the manis. My favourite design is definitely the holly one from part 2 and the cat's design from this video. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you all love for the new year. Let's hope that life will start looking a little bit more normal. Fingers crossed. If you like this, give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below and subscribe good. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!